JASMY is moving a little bit over the last 24 hours. Is it? I haven't taken a look at JASMY today. So let's go ahead and look at JASMY coin. I don't know how long people are holding JASMY. I do want to check that out over on Coinbase. So JASMY is up to about 60% of a penny. That's phenomenal. I haven't seen that in my assets, but I should be up quite a bit on that because I invested at 5. So yeah, I'm up about $246 on that investment. With 206,000 JASMY that I am invested into. I think JASMY has a ton of potential to run, and I've talked about this in plenty of videos in where it can go. But that's phenomenal to see that JASMY is up to 0.006 and has hit a higher level of 0.0064, almost 0.0065. So yeah, I'm happy with what they have here. You know, a 57% increase in volume, $142 million that's flowing through this with $290 million market cap. That is a great level to be at. For a $290 million market cap and $142 million flowing through it, that is phenomenal. That's really good. And no wonder why we are seeing, a 7% increase there, or overall looking at a higher increase. JASMY definitely has a lot more potential than people think. And I'm glad to be a part of it. I'm glad that someone, made me look at it again and understand where things were there because I didn't see that they completely added all of the supply there. And once I saw that, I knew it was an opportunity, right? I look at um, a lot of plays that have whenever someone asks me about a play, they always say, hey, look at this. And when we look at it, it has a lower amount of circulating supply, meaning that you could dilute the position a lot. And I always say, look, I would go back to this whenever I see the circulating supply added, because most likely you're going to see things that are decreasing when it is added. Now, some, they will only add the supply when they get to a higher price, because if they do, they're able to profit off of that. So say you own a project or you own a lot of it that's actually locked up. Um, well, it looks like it's out there. It's not in circulating supply. You hold, let's say, 20 million of it, and it's worth $1 now. Well, now you have $20 million. What are you going to do? Probably introduce maybe 2 million coins, and then you're going to sell those 2 million coins immediately. You're going to get $2 million out of it, maybe 1.5, depending on how much actually gets filled. And now you have whatever you wanted as a form of funding or anything there. That's what dilution is. People will sell at higher points, but some people, some projects will end up building capital by selling at lower points if they feel like they are stressed for cash in the project. So for JASMY coin, we saw them kind of introduce the entire supply at lower points and seeing it going lower and lower as the market cap, or sorry, the price adjusted to how much supply is out there. And now you're seeing the supply that's at 47.5 billion out of a total of 50 billion, definitely showing that this can get to a way higher price point as of right now, right? And you're looking at a $289 million market cap. We've seen this at a $1 billion market cap. I honestly think we can see this at multiple billions of dollars worth of a market cap, meaning that we can not only double, but triple, quadruple, 10x our price point, right? If we're looking at a $2.9 billion market cap, that's a 10x right there. And if I'm looking at $1,000 or $1,200, that's $12,000 that I have there. Yes, I would take out my initial investment, maybe a little bit more, let the rest sit in there, and let it gain whatever it can gain. But JASMY definitely has a lot of potential. I just think people need to look at it closely and understand, one, the sector that they're in, the Internet of Things sector, and then also understand where they can go with the amount of volume that they're seeing. Guys, if you could hit the like button, we got 137 people here and we have 77 likes. I do have to get out of here at 7:20ish just to get Harper ready for the bus. So I do like this live stream that's going on. A good amount of people, a good amount of comments, a good amount of discussions. And I'm going to post a lot of these videos, breakdowns of different cryptocurrencies on my NFA channel. So if you guys want to see this, just a full breakdown of what I talked about, you can go over there and watch that video or support that content over there. But I just want to make sure that people understand where I stand with things like JASMY coin, things like Krill coin, things like VVS finance, anything like that.